welcome back to my channel. This is Maggie, and today I'm going to show 6 ideas to make Halloween wreath door. And sometimes we has in home, we don't need to spend money, and we has old toys from our kids, or some old rings from another rings doors we have. And today I'm going to show 6 ideas for make Halloween wreath doors. Let's go to start. On these first ones I used the leftovers from the other projects, left rings, leaves, cupwares and the witch. This is very easy to do. You can use what you want. I'm decided to use wire to hold the witch on a ring. I'm use hot glue to glue the leaves on a ring. It's easy to do. Now I'm pour on it the cobweb. I'm using some spiders, and it's done. It's beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful. Easy and inexpensive one. You make your door gorgeous. I already has this ring, and I like the pumpkins, I like the flowers, I like the colors. I'm just go add a ghost. Is has a LEDs lights, is beautiful, and I'm go add this gorgeous spider. Very easy to do and make a new look, and on the front door is beautiful for Halloween. I really love this new look. Easy to do and beautiful. I use old ring, new papers, old book, and some birds. Now I roll the new papers around the wreath and close the wreath tools. I wrap the paper and roll. I use my hot glue gun and I glue 5 rolls together. And I tie with a shrink. I'm glue all to my pipes on my wreath. I use a stick for hold my birds. I put 2 birds on it and a few spiders. Comes beautiful. I use a ring and burlap and some butts. I'm gonna cut the burlap and glue around my ring. I use my hot glue gun. It's easy to do. I glue my butt, and the final looks is beautiful. I use a witch hat, flowers, easy to do and is a beautiful outcoming. I use a frame, bird, skeleton, one flower. I don't know if I use this gold or not. I open the frame and take it out the glass and the papers on it. I'm wrapped with black web, but if you like you can use white. I like this black. On gold this comes gorgeous. It's easy to do and everybody has a frame in home and make a door beautiful. I hope you enjoy my ideas and don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you on next one.